That would be the machine of interest to us. Fits the bill perfectly.
Been an ideal opportunity to see the machine that we'd be using.
The 325 minutes per minute rapid traverse rate was amazing.
I think the way that you've done it is extremely good. It's very friendly. You've got all your equipment around.
So we came to the open house with an open mind and are interested to see what the next upcoming thing is.
The reason why we chose Esprit was because over the 9-year period we've had it, we've had very little problems as far as reliability, and the machine has been very, very good.
The machine that we came to look at was the Photon Flex. It gives us the most compact design. So the idea of bringing the table out and putting each individual component in, software, the way it cuts, the way that you can see what you're cutting with the augmented reality, absolutely perfect for our needs.
Oh, I think it looks good. It's nice, it'll fit in the corner. I like the way the tray pulls out, so it's all just within its own footprint.
The team that you guys have got here are professional, they understand what they're doing.
We've had, I say, no issues with the Cobra, so this is an upgrade. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be more than adequate for our needs.
The fact that we've been able to look around, I've been able to look at how you manufacture your units, absolutely superb, really is, very impressive.